In this lesson we will able to identify Edith L. Tiempo contributions to the Philippine literature by analyzing her literary works. Edith Tiempo was born on April 22, 1919 in San Nicolas, Bayambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Her parents are Salvador T. Lopez, an auditor for the government, and Teresa Cutaran. During her childhood, Tiempo's family frequently had to move from one province to another of her father's different assignments and postings. She went to high school in Bayambang, and then went to take pre-law at the University of the Philippines. In 1947 she would graduate magna cum laude from Silliman University with a Bachelor of Science degree in Education, majoring in English. Her graduate studies led her to the State University of Loa, from which she gained an international fellowship which lasted from 1947 to 1950. She also took part in the State University of Laoilso Creative Writing Workshop, which was headed by veritable American poet Paul Engel. She received a scholarship grant from the notable United Board of Christian Higher Education in Asia and attained a doctorate degree in English from the University of Denver, Colorado in 1958. From 1964 to 1965, Tiempo was part of the faculty at Wartburg College, Loa. She also taught at Western Michigan University from 1965 to 1966, and at the Chinese University of Hong Kong and Hong Kong Baptist College from 1978 to 1979. In 1978, she received the Elizabeth Luce Moore Distinguished Asian Professor Award. She also held the L.T. Ruiz Professional Chair in English from 1981 to 1989. Edith Tiempo is proclaimed as one of the Philippines' foremost writers in English alongside other seminal writers like Jose Garcia Villa. Her poetry is hailed for its witty and complex wordplay. This characteristic is most evident in two of her most famous poems, Bonsai and The Little Marmoset. Literary scholars often refer to either of these poems in their studies of Tiempo's work. Edith Lopez met Edilberto K. Tiempo, her husband, when she was taking pre-law at the University of the Philippines. She is the mother of Malden Tiempo, and Roena Tiempo Torre Vilas. She now resides in Dumaguete City, but often speaks proudly of her Gadang roots from Nueva Vizcaya. Published works. Novels. A Blade of Fern, 1978. His Native Coast, 1979. The Alien Corn, 1992. One Tilting Leaves, 1995. The Builder, 2004. Short Story Collections. Abide, Joshua, and Other Stories, 1964. Poetry. The Tracks of Babylon and Other Poems, 1966. The Charmer's Box, 1993. Bibliophile. Others. 6 Poetry Formats and the Transforming Image. A Monograph on Free Verse, 2008. An Edith Tiempo Reader, 1999. 6 Uses of Fictional Symbols, 2004. Awards and Recognition. National Artist Award for Literature, 1999. First Prize, for Tracks of Babylon and Other Poems. Second Prize, Short Story in English for The Dam. Third Prize, Poetry in English, 1951 for The Black Monkey. Contribution to Philippine Literature. Edith L. Tiempo, poet, fiction writer, teacher, and literary critic, is one of the finest Filipino writers in English whose works are characterized by a remarkable fusion of style and substance, of craftsmanship and insight. Her poems are